everyone, I will show you how to plant your own microgreens. So this is a simple grow kit for microgreens. So we have here wheatgrass seeds, sunflower seeds, and radish seeds. And here is the coco peat, which we use as a medium for growing the seeds. This is approximately 250 grams. And our Nutri Hydro that we'll use to supplement the nutrient for the growing of the microgreens. This is the set A and the set B. And a canister, 2 canister. The upper tray has a hole in it, and the lower tray or the bottom tray will be the one that will hold the nutrient solution. Okay, what we need to do first is to put on the coco peat inside the first canister, approximately 1.5 inch, and then just enough. And then we sprinkle the sunflower seeds for this canister. Make sure that it is as dense as you could, but make sure that seeds would have enough space for their growth. So don't let seeds double or just like this. Normally micro this way, but because of my series of productions of growing microgreens, I usually see that molds are open. Molds are usually attack the seeds, so I prepared to sprinkle a little bit of coco peat on top of the seeds, molds and other diseases, and then I sprinkle it with the Nutri Hydro. And that's it. That's simple. When the roots of this sunflower seeds began to what I do is just pour some Nutri Hydro in a bottom canister so that the roots will sip on it. Okay, and that's all. That's the simplest way of growing your own microgreens. I like the second day of radish microgreens. The roots are beginning to go outside the hole here. And then in another 2 days, this is ready for consumption as salads, in addition to shawarma and other food like soup or noodles.